Welcome to an easy and focused Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In Paragon Character Series number 4, we're adding free Mixamo animations to Paragon characters. I'm crafting Dungeon Forge, Legacy, an RPG, and sharing my game dev tips with you. We'll also quickly cover migrating our project to UE 5.4.4, check the timestamp in the description to skip this if you're new. You'll need Unreal Engine 5.4 or newer for this tutorial. If you're ready to boost your game dev skills, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up to support the channel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring Paragon characters to life with Mixamo animations. Let's start by migrating the project from version 5.0.3 to 5.4.4 of Unreal Engine. Launch Unreal Engine 5.4.4. Click on Recent Projects, then on Browse to load the project. Your File Explorer opens, choose your project file, and confirm. Unreal Engine indicates that it will make a copy of the project for safety. Click on Open a Copy. Once copied, it automatically launches the project and indicates that you need to configure SM6. Go to Edit, Project Settings, Platforms, Windows and check SM6. A restart of UE is required. Launch the project, and we see that everything works normally. Let's move on to Mixamo animations on Mixamo.com, where you can create your free account if you don't already have one. Click on Characters, type YBot in the search, and select YBot. Click on Animations, and choose the ones you prefer. I'm going to take some dance animations. Once chosen, click on Download. Download in .fbx, and with skin. I'm going to choose this one too, which I find cool. Likewise, I download it in .fbx, and with skin. Back in UE, open the content browser, and in Character, create a new folder named Mixamo. In this directory, create another one named Animations. Drag one of the animations downloaded from Mixamo into the directory named Mixamo. Check Skeletal Mesh, and Import Skeletal Mesh, as well as Import Animation, and click on Import All. A warning message with no consequence appears, you can ignore it. Let's rename the different files, the skeleton mesh to skm_mixamo, the physics asset to mixamo_physics asset, and the skeleton to sk_mixamo. Move the animations to the animations directory we created. You can delete the one that ends with 001. Drag your other animations downloaded from Mixamo, uncheck Import Mesh since it was already imported with the previous animation, and make sure to select the skeleton sk_mixamo, then click on Import All. You can delete all the animations that end with 001. By opening one of the animations, we can verify that it works correctly. Before continuing, if you want more Unreal Engine tutorials, subscribe, and give a thumbs up to join our community. Right-click on one of the animations, and click on Retarget Animations. In the new window that opens, choose the skeleton of your Paragon character. By double-clicking on one of the animations that appears in the list, you can preview the result. Select all the animations using the Ctrl and Shift keys, then click on Export Animations. We'll create a new directory in the existing animations directory of your Paragon character by right-clicking, and name it Mixamo. As a prefix, I put RTG_Mixamo_, then click on Export twice. If we open an animation, it is correctly applied to the Paragon character. Right-click on each of the animations, and in Create, choose Create Anim Montage. In the Animation Montage, click on the default group, choose Default Group Upper Body, and make sure to save each time before moving to the next montage. This allows you to use the animations in the blueprint. You need to choose Upper Body, because that's what's indicated in the anim graph, as I'll show you in a moment. Let's go to the directory that contains the anim blueprint. Let's open the anim graph to check, and the slot is indeed Upper Body, there's nothing to modify here. Now let's open the blueprint of the Paragon character. At the Event Begin Play, we'll add the animation to check that it plays correctly at the level's launch. Drag and drop the mesh, add the Play Montage node, and select one of the montages that starts with RTG_Mixamo_. Compile, and save. Launch the level, and the animation plays. Obviously, you'll need to remove the sword before playing this one to avoid the character piercing their body. You can still control the character. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to make a Paragon character crouch. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Don't hesitate to leave a thumbs up if you liked this tutorial. What do you think of Mixamo animations? Thank you all for your support, see you soon in the next video.